Greetings. It is Wednesday afternoon, April 21st, 2021. I'm finishing up a West Side fish story. It's a rumble, bout number 3, as a gift to a friend here in Seattle of 29 years and his spouse. He organized several presentations I gave over the years. He also came along as to co-lead the discussion at a couple of presentations over the years as well, by Under the Wings and Human Rights, Tolerance, Holocaust Education Through Art. But these two fish are so excited to be in this rumble bout. They're like jumping off the page, so I'm going to have to stitch them down here. So to be continued. I'll after it's done and framed, I'll do a follow-up. All right, there you have it. West Side Fish Story. It's a rumble, bout number 3, April 21st, 2021.